Good morning, guys. So this is Morning with Mariana. I don't know if you guys can see well, but behind me it's just beautiful here. And he said that he didn't want. He says that I don't want to be in your video. Yeah, or whatever. Check it out. Check out à quel point que c'est beau ici. On est où?
On est à Bolton Centre.
Bolton Centre, Bolton Est.
Austin.
Austin.
Bolton Centre. Austin.
Donc, welcome to beautiful Austin, Bolton South, Bolton Est.
Chemin Westover.
Chemin Westover. So you don't, if you ever want to come by this place, it's gorgeous. Il n'y a pas trop de bébites jusqu'à date. Ah, check, je pense que vous le voyez plus en arrière. Donc, profitez de la journée, il va faire beau, il va faire chaud. On est bien. Je vous donne des nouvelles demain. Bye!